Life inside a space station refers to the living and working conditions experienced by astronauts who spend extended periods aboard a space station, which is a habitable artificial satellite that orbits the Earth. As of my last update in September 2021, the International Space Station, ISS, is the primary space station in operation, jointly maintained and operated by various space agencies, including NASA, United States, Roscosmos, Russia, ESA, European Space Agency, JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency. Here's an explanation of life inside the space station. Living quarters. The space station provides living accommodations for its crew, usually ranging from 3 to 6 astronauts at a time. The interior of the ISS consists of various modules, each serving specific purposes such as sleeping quarters, laboratories, exercise areas, and hygiene facilities. The living space is relatively small, with astronauts adapting to close quarters for extended durations. Microgravity environment. One of the most noticeable aspects of living on the ISS is the microgravity environment. Astronauts experience weightlessness, which can be both exciting and challenging. They float freely inside the station, and everything they interact with behaves differently than on Earth. Work and research. Astronauts on the ISS spend a significant portion of their time conducting scientific research and experiments. The space station serves as a unique laboratory for studying various phenomena, including biology, physics, materials science, and medicine. Researchers from around the world send their experiments to the ISS to take advantage of the microgravity environment. Daily routine. Astronauts follow a structured daily routine that includes work, exercise, meals, and leisure time. They typically work around 10 hours a day, 6 days a week, with time allocated for research tasks, maintenance, and communication with mission control and their families. Exercise and health. To counteract the detrimental effects of prolonged weightlessness on their bodies, astronauts exercise for about 2 hours per day. Exercise equipment like treadmills, stationary bicycles, and resistance machines are available on the ISS to help maintain bone density, muscle strength, and cardiovascular health. Nutrition. A balanced and nutrient-rich diet is essential for astronauts. Their food comes in various forms, including prepackaged meals, thermostabilized pouches, and dehydrated items. Water is recycled from various sources, such as urine and condensation, to minimize the need for resupply missions. Sleeping. Astronauts have individual sleeping quarters, usually a small compartment with sleeping bags, to ensure privacy. As there is no up or down in microgravity, they can sleep in any orientation they find comfortable. Communication. Astronauts stay in touch with their families and mission control via video conferences and email. Communication is essential for psychological well-being during their time in space. Safety and emergency procedures. Space agencies prioritize safety, and astronauts are trained extensively in emergency procedures, such as handling equipment malfunctions, potential space debris collisions, and the rare possibility of evaluating the space station. Crew rotation. Crew members typically stay on the ISS for about 6 months before returning to Earth. Regular crew rotations ensure that there is a continuous human presence on the station. New crew members arrive via spacecraft, and departing crew members return on a different spacecraft. Hygiene and waste management. Hygiene is crucial in the confined environment of the ISS. Astronauts must follow strict protocols for personal hygiene, including regular showers and oral hygiene. Waste management is also carefully managed, with human waste being collected, processed, and disposed of appropriately. Leisure time. Despite their busy schedules, astronauts have some leisure time for relaxation and recreation. They can watch movies, read books, play musical instruments, and even stargaze through the space station's windows. Earth observation. The ISS provides a unique vantage point to observe Earth from space. Astronauts often take photographs of our planet to monitor weather patterns, natural disasters, and environmental changes. These images contribute to scientific research and public outreach. Medical care. The ISS has medical supplies and equipment to handle minor medical issues. Crew members undergo thorough medical examinations before their mission to ensure they are in good health. In case of more serious medical concerns, astronauts can consult with medical experts on the ground. Communication delay. Due to the vast distance between Earth and the ISS, there is a communication delay. Signals take several seconds to reach the space station and vice versa. Astronauts must account for this delay when communicating with mission control to avoid misunderstandings. Thank you so much for watching this incredible journey through space. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more exciting content like this, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below. Your likes and comments mean the world to us and help support the channel. If you found this video inspiring or educational, consider sharing it with your friends and family. Sharing is caring, and it helps us reach a broader audience, spreading the wonders of space exploration. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an out-of-this-world adventure. Join our community of space enthusiasts, and together, let's explore the cosmos. Thank you again for being a part of our journey. Until next time, keep looking up.